Hi everyone, as we all know, Valentine's Day is around the corner. This recipe is for those who want to do something but don't know what to do, and prep time is only 45 minutes. I'm going to list all the ingredients at the bottom of this video. Here I added red food coloring to my dough and then start mixing it until it turns red. After mixing the dough, put the dough in the freezer for 15 minutes. You are going to need white dough and red dough. Don't worry if you don't have a cookie cutter. I'm gonna show you other ways you can do to cut your cookies. You can cut out cardboard boxes. Here I used Easter egg box to cut out the heart shape and just press it down to my dough and cut it out the shape I wanted. Keep the rest of the dough and roll it again and cut out more shapes. If the heart shape doesn't come out perfectly, you can always use a knife to cut into it perfectly. Using a box like this was such a good idea because it didn't stick onto it. You can peel it off quickly, easily. And you want to use the same heart shape to cut out the cookie, the white cookie, inside the white cookie and inside the red cookie as well. The shape doesn't have to be perfect. You can always roll it again and then cut out the shape that you need. If the shape doesn't come out right or it doesn't fit, you can always adjust it until you are satisfied. Then preheat the oven at 350 degrees fan oven, and baking time is 12 minutes. Here you go guys, there's the final results. Shortbread cookies are ready. And don't forget the ingredients are at the bottom of this video. Thank you for watching.